My manager went on a brain course, and he's got me wondering why I sometimes make the decisions I do.
The BTFA course, I've been on that. It's fascinating how the brain works and how it affects our choices.
Yes, I'm realizing every decision we make is rooted in our brain function.
Yes, which makes it essential to understand how the brain works to optimize our potential.
I read that the primary cause of all safety incidents is human error. Is that true?
Yes, the brain is wired to survive its environment. But when we're distracted or not paying attention, because our mind wanders, accidents can happen.
That's interesting. What about resistance to change?
Resistance to change is also a neurological response. Our brains are designed to protect themselves and seek autonomy and self-determined action.
So, disengagement is a neurological state?
Yes, and it's due to a lack of serotonin, which is required for prefrontal cortex regulation and engagement. Stress and excess dopamine and cortisol can deplete serotonin levels. This can make it biologically impossible for a defensive brain to engage with, let's say, a change program.
Wow. I had no idea. That's why it's so important to understand brain function in business.
Exactly. The brain responding to, and surviving its environment, is the root cause of all business performance and outcomes. Understanding how the brain works can help optimize potential and reverse engineer solutions that improve business performance.
That makes sense. I'll definitely look into learning more about the science of human brain function.
That's great to hear. It's essential to understand how the brain works to unlock the potential of your people and improve business outcomes.